second Korean Ring Road construction project in Siem Reap, Cambodia. The great civilizations that were created by humankind. Angkor Wat is the greatest world heritage that Cambodia has ever produced and must be protected by world people. However, now Angkor Wat is suffering from heavy vehicles operation. In addition, blowing dust is everywhere on a clear day. Potholes have been made when it rains. It has a bad influence on the life of local residents and tourist industry, the main earning of Siem Reap. Like this, in order to protect the World Heritage, Angkor Wat, and ease the inconvenience of residents, improvement of road condition is necessary. For this reason, in October 2009, a beltway construction project detouring Angkor Wat is discussed on commit between two countries. According to the Free Grant Aid Agreement, KOICA International Cooperation Agency orders and Korea Expressway Corporation conducts a project management for first and second Korean Ring Road construction project in Siem Reap, Cambodia. The second Korean Ring Road construction in Siem Reap, covering west-north side of Angkor Wat, began in January 2011 and finished December 2012 with a total amount of $11.5 million. The total length is 20.5 kilometers, including 13.2 kilometers of road improvement and 7.3 kilometers of new road, and its width is 8 meters with 50 kilometers per hour of design speed. The main facilities are one bridge in 39 meters, 5 culverts and 27 pipes, and the road is constructed with asphalt concrete pavement. The Korean Ring Road construction project in Siem Reap has been conducted with a close cooperation of KOICA and Apsara. Korea International Cooperation Agency, an exclusive agency for international grant aid, ordered this project with an investigation on project feasibility. Cambodia's Apsara takes care of lots of land compensation and houses relocation. Project management performed by Korea Expressway Corporation, designed by Yushin Corporation and Ilshin ENC Corporation, construction by Shinryongha Construction Corp. The main characteristic of Korean Ring Road in Siem Reap are safe roads, convenient roads, and eco-friendly roads. First of all, it is a safe road. We try to make sure in quality with a close supervision, which is adequate for construction characteristic from earthwork to asphalt concrete construction. The foundation has been laid firmly with a mixture of sand and gravel, not laterite. The surface is processed with asphalt concrete method, not the existing DBST method. The road is constructed with 40-ton of weight limit, but the existing Cambodian road has only 20 to 25-ton of weight limit. High-tech overloaded vehicle control system has been introduced in order to restrict traffic for vehicle weighing more than 40 ton. As a convenient road, travel time is decreased in half, traffic is increased by 6 times, and convenient travel is now possible with a flatter road surface. As an eco-friendly road, public design such as solar streetlights, monuments, bridge rails, and culvert barriers come together, surrounding this historic site.
จะบอกมิดได้ห้อยให้วีหลวสรัวเจียงกาปิมน
บ้าเราเวสรัววิรถบานสรัวจึงมนนะบอกกาปิมนยังรถบานวิรถบานแต่มาไงไม่เจิงนี่ก็เรานี่ยังรถบานปีเจิงวิจะนิ่งเปแล้วมั้ง
บ้านเพลสรัวให้คนสาวมาเรียนบ้านเตียงเปเบลี
ก็บ้านทอนในประเทศวันในประเทศจนในตำบลนี้บ้านทั่วตำบลสรัวโดยเจ้าอำนาจของท่อม
A method to protect valuable cultural heritage, to make residents happy, to revive the regional economy. Korean Ring Road in Siem Reap, Cambodia will bring Cambodia's tomorrow. Second Korean Ring Road construction project in Siem Reap, Cambodia.